they friends, girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my end.
My YouTube channel. Back with another banger. In the streets again. Again. We're going for, what is it? Susan again. Swahika. I say, God, you don't want me. We'll be there. We'll be there. Kutheni lighting yalana no muntu uthi ngayipha yini camera ntontoni like we need that DJI no ngiyafuna shem for even for TikTok,
yeah, for everything,
like oh, like ngathi ngisezoo right now at the moment. Yeah, angazi. Sifanele sibuze la. She's signed in. Like New Year, new us. New week, new us. New week, new us. Says ya chima unjao. Counselor. Like what do I have? No, don't. Where are you? We here.
So where do you wanna go?
Yonke, you must explore this whole thing. Let me. That is so zoo, like for real. No, when last did I go hiking, guys? Just us. New Year, new us. New Year's resolution.
Literally.
Like.
Literally.
Woo. That's sunlight. No, it is cold. Awusixelel sana lwam angifuni ukuhlangana na anything ne forever content i-bridge yona le ke bridge yona le jala ka go now easy siyajumpa manje ngoba kuyabana so masingajumpa something is gonna happen. Siyafika up. Hey, no, it's not a picnic lamos. Oh no, this is nice. Peaceful. Sesivulele iqala leli bathi ufuna ufela la noma ufuna ufela le ufuna ufela happy. Nice and cost effective. Just oh, sazenza ngeke khehla usho usho makai asiyabi ngeke khehla guys, our legs I guess so go philo ba rona no salongoka
We just did 1,000 steps.
Let's se kwanzile na ai ene sakude sazoyale sisafer river se-Egypt le because basephuma underground so lamanzi aphuma phi re sure mara ka di-decision tsa cishe sashona sabulawa yi-cause creation river up high. It's shy. Denial. You need change.
Katale. Gazele. Garere. Garere.
It is Mukh. Mina no Mukh.
Salayo. We did it.
And this is nice. Like no, like this is nice.
You guys should do it. Literally.
No, for real.
Go for hiking. The nearest hiking space that you can find.
Be there.
It's very peaceful.
Tholakala.
But fun, no goof.
Njalo.
And we always goof.
Woo.
One thing about us.
Hey, one thing about us.
One thing about us.
Yeah, very legit.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene.
I just know.
That's why you didn't call it but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play this game. Leave your family in the good rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out the light. You refuse to act over my life. Keep wasting my time.
What is this?
Don't you on scene? Think you know your blood's so funny to me. That's why you didn't call it but one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Don't say your name. Nothing from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the good rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got
happen when I think about